Hello, here's a question number 12, again a good one. It reads that a wooden cube of 2048 gram mass is attached to the bottom of a cylindrical vessel with the help of a spring. This is the picture. So this is a container and this is a cube, wooden cube, and this is spring and it is filled half submerged. The situation. The vessel is filled with some amount of water so that the cube floats half submerged and spring is relaxed. Bottom area of the cylinder is known to us, density of water is known to us, gravity constant is known to us. It says now additional water is slowly poured in the vessel until the cube is fully submerged. Later on it gets completely submerged. Which of the following statements are correct? So out of A, B, C, D, we need to identify which one or more than one are correct. In this, there has been correction later on, and one additional information has been provided, and that additional information is that the total water level rise is 20.48 centimeter. So this information is coming in the new edition of the book. So we need to use this information as well in order to get the complete solution. So here's the solution. We are assuming that the side of the cube is L, and we are also assuming that the cube moves up by distance x in totality. Or finally, let's say this is the initial figure. So initially it was half submerged, and FBD shows buoyancy is balancing the weight. Later on, this is the situation, that means it is completely submerged, and the FBD will say that buoyancy, which is going to be now different, of course, is going to balance this mg and kx, because the spring will get elongated by the same amount the cube moves up, and we have assumed that amount is x, so spring force will be kx. Initially spring force was not there because elongation in this spring or compression in the spring was missing. Spring was at relaxed basically. So for initial condition we can have force balance, that means FB must be balancing the weight, and FB buoyancy force can be written as the submerged volume, which is going to be half into density of water into G is equal to mg, the weight. Now we know this mg can be written as volume of the cube, which is L cube, and density of the cube, which is let's say rho cube. So when we simplify this, from this we can simplify it to as density of cube comes out to be density of water by 2, because this half will be prevailing, so it will give us density of water by 2. Density of water is 1000, so it becomes 500 kg per meter cube or 0.5 gram per cc. So density of wooden cube we ever got. Now since mass of the cube is known to us, and we can use the simple relation mass is equal to volume into density. Volume is L cube, density is going to be rho c, and mass has been given as 2048 gram. L cube we need to find, density comes out to be half gram per cc. So CGS unit we are working in. From here we can find L cube is equal to this can be converted into 4096. And we can write this as 2 raised to power 12, which can be simplified as L is equal to 2 raised to power 4. You can check these calculations. That means is equal to 16 centimeters. So length of the this cubical block is going to be L, or side length basically is L. Now we come to the final situation and use this FBD, and in this FBD we are going to get like the spring force and gravitational force being balanced by the new buoyancy. Now spring force is Kx, new buoyancy is going to be the total volume submerged, density of water into gravity, and it's going to be minus mg, which is going to be weight basically. And we know we have understood this L cube into density of water into G is 2 mg. So we use this thing, so it becomes 2 mg minus mg, which is basically mg. So it gives us that the force of a spring is equal to mass into g. If we write mass in kg, it becomes 2.048, and into g, which is 10. So answer comes out to be 2.48 Newton. So spring force comes out to be 2.48 Newton. let me check, there is some correction. This is 2.048 and there is 10 multiplying, pardon. So this should be 20.48 Newton. So 20.48 Newton is the spring force. Moreover, water level rise, total water level rise, if we look at, so this was initial level, finally it has gone to this. This block has shifted by X amount. Moreover, the liquid has risen up by L by 2 on this. So this X plus L by 2 is going to be the total level of water rise. And the question mentions that total level of water rise is 20.48 centimeter. So this must be equal to 20.48 centimeter. Now since we have calculated this L, which is 16, so L by 2 will become 8, so X comes out to be 12.48 centimeter. That means the block has shifted upward by 12.48 centimeter. The question that requires additional amount of water, how much additional amount of water we require? So additional amount of water is going to be equal to the volume of this container up to height X plus L by 2, the total level it rises up, but in that certain volume will be occupied with the block itself. So block's volume that will be occupied is going to be L cube by 3, because half it was already submerged, next half has to be submerged. So when you add additional water, then the left half volume will also go inside the liquid, and that will not allow the liquid to fill that gap. So this is the total volume which is corresponding to the total level rise, and this volume has to be subtracted to get the volume of water. So area is given as a 600 centimeters square, and this came out to be, or given as 20.48 centimeters, so that's centimeter cube, and we can substitute this as a centimeter cube as well. When we simplify this, we can take we can multiply this 100 and make this 2048, and then we can take this 2048 as a common, so it's going to be 6 minus 1, so that's 5 basically, and when you multiply we get like this. Since it is coming in centimeter cube, we can convert it into liters, because we know 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter, so it becomes 10.24 liter. Now if you read the options, this is length of the side of the cube is 16 centimeter. Yes, we have found it out. Amount of additional water to be poured in is 10.24 liter. Yes. Spring force is going to be when finally submerged 20.48 years. Displacement of the cube, that is X value, and X value is 12.48. Hence ABCD, all options are perfectly correct. And this is our answer. Thank you.